This year, our honoree, our master of motorsports, Mr. Peter Brock. Not only a legend in the automotive world from a motorsports point of view, but from a car design point of view.
And this man is just a walking legend, and the beauty was is he was here all 4 days, signing autographs, taking pictures, talking to guests.
We've got a tremendous group of cars here. I mean, we've got 4 Daytona coupes here that are probably the best replicas that I've seen. So having 4 of them together is just an amazing thing. And then, of course, to have this car, which was the first major car that I had a chance to do at General Motors.
The 1957 Stingray that at the age 19 Peter designed when he worked under Bill Mitchell. The GM Heritage Collection allowed us to borrow the car, so a big thank you to Michael Simcoe over there.
He's just an amazing chap, and the stuff he's designed, the cars he's built, quite incredible.
At the end of our speed ring day on Saturday, Peter jumped into the Shelby Can-Am prototype and took a few laps in a race car around the M1 circuit.
There is nothing like the M1 any place in the world that I've seen. I mean, we have a combination of great garages, private garages for all of the people who are collecting cars here, a great racetrack where you can come out and test any particular time, and then all these cars that have come in from different places on the Concourse. So we've got a great spread on everything. It's really, it's a fun event, and I don't think I've seen anything like it anywhere in the world yet. You know, it's really fun.